Procedure is now available. Using acoustic wave therapy, this non-invasive, pain-free treatment breaks down plaque, restores blood flow, potentially reversing ED for good. And women, if your man has ED, talk to him about acoustic wave therapy and how West Coast men's health can help, regardless of age or medical history.
With clinics in San Mateo, Pleasanton, Walnut Creek, and Elk Grove, call 650-649-7944. That's 650-649-7944. 650-649-7944. Online at westcoastmenshealth.com.
I'm Erica, an English major at Hillsdale College. Here's Hillsdale President Dr. Larry Arnn with a Constitution Minute.
The human soul is made to learn, and the highest things of life are the best things to learn. One of these, it turns out, is the way we govern ourselves, and one of the best examples of that is the Constitution of the United States. It explains what our government should look like and how it should function to best protect our rights. It was created to give us the freedom to make choices about the way we wish to live. Unfortunately, most colleges and universities today fail to teach our Constitution. When they do, they often denigrate it. This is dangerous because it is impossible to preserve our liberty if we don't understand where it comes from and how to protect it. Having a proper civics education is essential to preserving our freedom.
To learn more and get a free pocket Constitution, visit constitutionminute.com.
Mark Levin. He sounds like he's tall. On the Mark Levin Radio Show.
I heard about the first responders. And then this in New York. NYPD police officer 31 fatally shot by career criminal during Queens traffic stop ID'd as husband, dad of young child, New York Post. The 31-year-old NYPD cop was shot and killed by a career criminal during a traffic stop in Queens on Monday evening. Officer Jonathan Diller, married father of a 1-year-old boy, was shot in the stomach under his bulletproof vest after police tried to remove the suspect from his vehicle, identified as 34-year-old Guy Riviera, from the passenger seat of the car in Far Rockaway. Diller, who had 3 years on the force, fell to the ground, yelled that he'd been hit after the suspect opened fire, according to a witness. He was moving, he was saying, I'm hit, giving location and so forth, like he was injured. Now, the animal who murdered him is a very, very, very long rap record, including multiple felonies. 21 prior arrests. 21 prior arrests.
I don't know who's honking, but it's annoying.
Can you imagine? 21 prior arrests. With criminals roaming the streets, with illegal aliens coming into this country left and right. The Democrats are destroying our cities. Biden and his party are destroying our country overall. And I look at this and these polls are close. They're close. Why are they close? Do people like this? Do people like it? This young man decides to take on a job that pays him crap, or is treated like crap by his employers, by these phony front groups, these phony civil rights groups. You stop in a car, the guy won't get out, and then this guy pulls a pistol and shoots him in the stomach and murders him. And he's been in jail before and they let him out? Well, why don't we hold these damn judges accountable? Hi folks, Mark Levin here. Gold prices have recently hit an all-time high, and with increasing government spending and inflation rising yet again, many experts think it's only going to go up further. If you're not already thinking about diversifying your portfolio with an allocation to physical gold, I recommend calling my friends at Advantage Gold to get registered. Registered for the free financial summit that'll show you the right way to get going with gold. Call them at 800-900-8000 right now. Tell them you want to register for the Everlasting Wealth Summit. This free online event will give you a full breakdown of the current economic landscape and strategies for trying to protect you and grow your wealth with gold and silver. Trust me, folks, it's a lot more complicated than you might think, especially if you want to do it the right way. So to claim your spot on the Everlasting Wealth Summit, a fantastic summit, call 800-900-8000 right now. That's 800-900-8000. Be sure to mention that Mark Levin sent you. Performance may vary. You should always consult your...
We'll take a look at KSFO traffic. We have a car out of gas in San Jose, southbound Guadalupe Parkway, right after Skyport Drive. It's on the right shoulder, but partially blocking the right lane. And somebody lost a bumper in Oakland, south 880 before 16th and Embarcadero. Second lane from the left, a delay from Oak Street. North 101 San Francisco, delay from Cesar Chavez onto the Bay Bridge.
Everyone has a community, a neighborhood, school, place of worship, or other chosen groups. Communities can provide support when you need it, including helping your kids avoid underage drinking and other substance use. Learn more at talkbayhearyou.samhsa.gov.
Haven't filed tax returns for years? Think you can't have a life? Think again. You've heard me say that to you for years. Let us take this burden off of you, your family, your business, and solve it for you. You never have to have this problem again, no matter how many years you haven't filed a tax return. This is a very common situation, and we have tremendous experience in helping people and businesses solve this. You can have a normal life now. Don't have your records, or your records are in a mess? Former spouse, partner, or bookkeeper always used to do everything for you? Don't know how to account for crypto? Don't have the money to pay your taxes? No problem. We'll get all the records that the government has on you. We can help you with your back and future accounting, or just do it for you. And if you're unable to pay your taxes, we'll explain all of your various options, and then we'll negotiate the best option for you. Call Moskowitz LLP at 888-TAX-DEAL. That's 888-TAXDEAL. 888-TAX-DEAL, or MoskowitzLLP.com. MoskowitzzLLP.com.
Your electric bill is rigged. The electric companies have been raising prices while they make record profits. The answer used to be solar, but now the electric companies take the excess power you generate during the day and sell it back to you at night for top dollar. The final insult is they can black out your power anytime. But we have the cheat code. It's Semper Solaris. They're local and veteran owned. Beat the electric company at their own game by using solar panels and a Tesla Powerwall 3. Your panels charge the battery during the day, and you use your own electricity in the evening. Right now, you can switch to solar plus Tesla Powerwall 3 with no money out of pocket, and Semper Solaris will pay your electric bill for up to 3 months. Call Semper Solaris at 415-354-2969. That's 415-354-2969. Eliminate blackouts. Escape corporate greed. Go solar now.
On approved credit, call or see website for details. Offer starts 3/31/2024. CSW number 978152.
Getting quality employees to fill positions in your company is essential, but finding those people can be a major hassle, unless you use ZipRecruiter. ZipRecruiter makes finding quality people a breeze. And right now, you can try it for free at ZipRecruiter.com/radio. With ZipRecruiter, one click sends your job to hundreds of top job sites. But more than that, ZipRecruiter's advanced technology identifies the candidates with the skills you need, sends you a list of great matches to review, and actively invites them to apply for your job. And the results speak for themselves. 4 out of 5 employers who post on ZipRecruiter get a quality candidate within the first day. That's right, the first day. Now you can focus on your business and let ZipRecruiter do the work finding the best people for you. Be for yourself. Experience the ease, efficiency, and power of ZipRecruiter for free. Just go to ZipRecruiter.com/radio. That's ZipRecruiter.com/radio. ZipRecruiter.com/radio.
Snakes, zombies, public speaking. The list of fears is endless. But the real danger is in your hand when you're behind the wheel. Distracted driving is what's really scary and even deadly. Eyes forward, don't drive distracted. Brought to you by NHTSA and the Ad Council.
Information now. 800-200-6895. 800-200-6895. All set. Now, a radio sensation that's sweeping the nation.
Fight you, devil.
Mark Levin.
Situation, ladies and gentlemen, where the leader of Hamas, who's in Iran, was praising the Biden administration. The leader of Hamas, who was in Iran, was praising the Biden administration on TV to the whole world. Well, our regime is trashing the Netanyahu administration. We have some friends, a lot of friends. We have some friends in South Florida, which has a significant Jewish community. And his wife and her friend were having lunch yesterday at a restaurant, obviously. And they're not wearing clothing that is symbolic of or indicative of the Jewish faith, per se. They're American. They're sitting there at the table. And next to them, there are a couple of people going on and on about the Jews. The Jews this, and the Jews that, and the Jews this, and the Jews that. So he sends me an email today. He says, Mark, are we safe here anymore? Are we safe in America anymore? It's a good question. When you look at the level of violence and hate that's going on in our country, that is, I think, a complete outgrowth of the way the Biden administration, the media, and the Democrat Party have been reporting this war, and have been allowing people to come on their platforms and absolutely lie about civilian casualties using Hamas, never explaining the extent to which the Israelis go to try and protect civilians. It's a horrid thing. So my answer is no, really. We have no-go zones in this country. If you are Jewish and wear your hair a certain way, or wear a certain coat, or a certain hat, or even if you just wear a kippah, aka a yarmulke, or if your last name is Jewish, like Levin, or whatever. We have no-go zone.